Cleanup seems endless when mess governs your time. In this scenario, you repeat over and over again, day by day. But after all, there are a lot of interesting things to do instead of this. NL is for a sensible approach to purity. Fineffect is a smart home care system for those who save their time and resources as well. Multifunctional wash rags clean like professionals and will easily cope with any impurity. Negatively and positively charged fibers of the wash rags attract dust and dirt like a magnet without leaving streaks. The one-touch cleanup without effort for any surface. One touch. Sustainable consumption of water and household chemicals. One drop. But in the first turn, it's just the means for cleanup, and they simply work to save time that you can now spend on yourself. Fineffect wash rags. Simply, cleanly, it really works.